Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Friday. Market close on a short week in the market. However, it is our second best week for 2022, right? Crazy. But before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it. This is the second best week of 2022. We are 6 months in, almost to our 7th month, and we are just now having 2 good weeks in the market. That is crazy. And you guys know we're officially in the bear market, right? Officially in the bear market. We are not out of the bear market until we have gained 20% from our lows. The opposite of going into a bear market, right? We know the definition of a bear market is 20% down from our highs. Being out of it means we gain 20% from our lows, right? And a lot is going on. So let's take a look at it. All right, so we got our Dow Jones up 2.68% for today, 800 points. The S&P 500 up 3% today, almost 116 points. The NASDAQ up 3.34%, leading the charge. You guys know the NASDAQ is our tech index. Heavy on the tech, so when you see those going up, that means tech is doing lovely for the day. And we got the Russell up 3.16%, with our VIX finally doing some coming down. Thank you, Jesus. Our VIX is finally coming down because I know you guys were taking a beating just like I was, with the exception of my NEO. NEO has been making me money, you guys, over the past couple of weeks. NEO has actually been leading in my games. So, hey, I'm loving NEO right now. I've been averaging down in it, so I'm loving it right now. I hope it continues to run up. If not, hey, you know how it goes. We still holding the joker for the long term. So let's get into it. Let's look at this, right? So I mentioned that we've been seeing green, and we know we're in the bear market. So currently, from our highs, and we know that our highs were actually in January, the beginning of the year, we were down 23.55% in the spot. 23.55%. That is crazy, deep into the bear market. But let's check out where we are now. We are actually 6.68% up from those same lows. We are up 6.68% from those lows. So the question is, are we in a market rally, or is this a fake out breakout, right? Fake out breakout or a market rally? Because can we gain 14 more percent? 14 more percent would actually put us up here back at the $4,600 range, meaning we would go up about $900 in the S&P 500 before the year end. So that's 14 more percent, you guys. Is it possible? Can we do it? Can we do it? And I'm curious to know myself. Actually, 15%, 15.01%. Can we gain 15.01% in a matter of really only 5? I guess we'll give it a whole month. 6 more months left in the year, and we trying to gain 15 more percent. And also, we know that those fears of the recession and the interest rate hikes, it's being believed that we're pricing it in even more, and that people are not as fearful. We have a deeper understanding, and we see the dedication to this that the Fed has. And I guess people are just like, okay, we're accepting it. We know that the market is going to come down. We know that the interest rates are going to continue to rise. We know that we're in inflation. We know that there's a high possibility of the Fed putting us into a recession. But now at this point, there's no more uncertainty, right? Because we know they've told us, hey, we're going to do this. This is the plan, and we're very aggressive on this. This is what we're going to do. We're not straying from it. Hey, maybe the people are liking the confidence that the Fed has in their actions. Maybe people are just believing the stock market that much. But the question still remains: fake out breakout or a market rally? I'm hoping for the latter, right? I'm hoping to still have a market rally and this thing continues to boom. So let's look at our fear and greed index right now. We are currently up to a 28. You guys know when we looked at it on Wednesday, we were sitting at a 22. So we've gained 6 points on the fear and greed index. That is lovely. And you guys know how I feel, right? When we get in that neutral to that greed, oh man, we on a rocket to the moon, and that's what I want to see. We are on a rocket to the moon. I do have an article here, but it pretty much says everything I just said to you guys already. But the piece that I think is very essential: still, Powell's nod to current recession risk, tracked with increased warning signals from a series of Wall Street firms that have recently raised their own forecasts for the probability of a near-term recession. Near-term, keep that in mind, near-term recession. Powell's assertion that the Fed's commitment to bringing down inflation was unconditional. Also suggested that the central bank would not stop hiking rates at the first signs of an economic slowdown. So even when the CPI numbers come down, even when they see inflation coming down, they still say, hey, we very aggressive. We're going to continue to hit you with those 50 basis point hikes or those 75% basis hikes. We're not coming down. We're not letting off the gas. So they all gas, no brakes at this point. And that's fine by me. I mean, for me, if we can get these oil prices down, I think that would definitely play a major role. And actually, I've been doing some research, and I do believe this is my opinion now. Don't sue me, not financial advice. I believe that by August, gas and oil prices will come back down. I also believe that if we get closer to an election that we get, I believe that the government will find alternatives in order to get those gas and oil prices down. I do believe that August and September, we will see gas prices come down sharply. Now, I know a lot of people are saying they believe that gas prices could get as high as $6 by August. I believe the opposite of that. So we will see. We're going to come back to this video on June 24th and see who was right, me or the other people. I believe that gas prices are coming down, and you guys just keep watching it with me, right? We're going to see it. And I think that once those gas prices come down, it's going to be a major turnaround for the economy altogether. So that's why I think we are with that. That's really all I have for you guys this week. I know that today is Friday. We know we're going to the weekend. Normally our weekends are our crypto weekends. But as of right now, we know we're in a crypto winter. And I actually have some news I'm going to put out for you guys on crypto on tomorrow. So you guys just got to beware. Beware. Do your research. Do not just invest in any old coin. Don't get out here believing in all the hype. Make sure you guys take time to recharge. We have another holiday coming up very soon. So make sure you continue to relax, recharge, and refresh yourself. And let's make some money. Thank you guys for joining the journey to become wealthy. And I'll see you guys later.